What's going on YouTube? So today in this video, I'm going to be going over the Mpow H12 ANC or active noise canceling wireless headphones. So these are a pair of over-the-ear active noise canceling headphones. I picked them up for $33 or $35 with tax from Amazon, which is a pretty good deal for noise canceling headphones. So I'm definitely going to open it up, unbox it, and then give a listen and then give you my thoughts on these headphones. So I'm just going to show you the box real quick. So you have the Mpow logo, Dream, Explore, Inspire, the name of the headphones. We can read down here. It says dual mic, active noise canceling, hi-fi audio, hands-free calling, closed back ear cushions, and up to 30 hours of battery life. So battery life is always subjective. A lot of these headphones always market 20, 25, 30. It all depends on how you use it. So I'll see throughout the days if that lives up to its if this lives up to what they say, but it's a bold claim. I like it. Anyways, so flip it over on this side. Shows you have soft and comfortable ear pad. We'll test that out. Foldable headphone. That's kind of what you expect with any headphone. You want it to be foldable. 3.5mm audio port. This is a Bluetooth headphone, but if you want to use an aux with it, you're always welcome to. And there's an ANC button. So there's a noise canceling button. You can switch on and off if you want to use it or not. And then on the back, we have the specs right here. And then, so this is just charge time, battery, nothing really too important. But then down here, it talks about the features, which we kind of explained earlier. So upgraded dual mic, ANC technology, 30 hours of battery life, soft memory, protein, I don't know, earmuffs, I don't know what protein means, but whatever. Wireless and wired modes, built-in microphone, foldable design with a portable bag. So for $30, it looks like a pretty good deal. I mean, you see all these noise canceling headphones, super expensive, or you see some of the cheaper ones, maybe even some around this range, to be honest, that aren't as good. You kind of have to put out a lot of money to get a very good pair of noise canceling headphones. So this is gonna be interesting. I had the Mpow Bluetooth other sport earbuds. Those were my first video that I posted, and I really like this brand. They make good stuff, so I'm definitely very excited. So without further ado, let's open up the box. So it goes open like that, like that, like that, like that, and the headphones are in the bag. So this looks like the bag that it comes with, and the headphones are probably in here. I'm gonna put this to the side, and yeah, the box is very minimal. That's literally it. There's no fancy packaging, none of that, which probably makes it pretty cheap. But anyways, so we look in the bag. So we have our 3.5mm auxiliary port, which is pretty standard. You could probably find this anywhere. It's nothing too special. And over here we have a micro USB charging port, which is, I guess, it's just like the aux cable. It's literally any other micro USB charging port. Put that to the side. And then we have a very little pamphlet here about how to connect the headphones to a TV. So if you have a Fire Stick or if you have any, whatever device you have that can connect with Bluetooth, this will be able to find a way to connect to it. So if you ever want to do that, it's pretty cool. And then another important reminder about charging. And looks like some more, I think, promotional stuff. Yeah, nothing too crazy here. And then this is just basic setup of the headphone. I mean, I've owned a bunch of noise canceling headphones. They all work the same. So packaging, the diagram, power on and off, how to pair, noise canceling switch, volume control, music control, play, pause, answer a call, and charge battery, and yeah, that's pretty much it in here. So over here in the bag, we have the carrying case, or carrying bag, because it's not really a case, but it feels really nice on the outside. It's soft on the inside. It's not soft. It feels slightly rough, but I mean, nevertheless, you can't complain with having any type of carrying case, because God forbid something like you step on any part of it or drops, these headphones can break pretty easy. So it's nice to have some type of security with it. And it has a little drawstring, goes just like that. So we'll put this over to the side, and then we'll take the headphones. Yep, so these are the Mpow H12 active noise canceling headphones. So they have a very nice design. The headphones swivel left and right. lay like that. Looks like you can fold them in. Yeah, and then they fold in like that. Or, I mean, whatever way works for you. But they fold. They have adjustable headband. You can see that. These things they feel pretty firm when you click, which is a little annoying because when you're folding it in and out, it's probably gonna get annoying to really force it in. But at the same time, that means it should be very sturdy. And also, only thing I don't like so far is you can kind of see the whole mechanism of this thing going in and out, which that is a red flag to me. But I mean, I paid $30. You get what you pay for. So I'll show you quick around here. Only clickable buttons are, you have a play pause button right here, which is also the power button and the pairing button for Bluetooth. And then you have volume up, volume down. I think if you hold these down a little bit for a little longer, then you'll be able to skip and go back and forward with certain songs. And then you have the charging port right here. And then right over here, it's kind of hard to see, you have a microphone, and you have some more holes in here, which are probably other microphones. And then on this side, we have the 3.5mm aux, and should have, okay, so you hold it like this, right? Yeah, this is the left side, this is the right side. So here we also have the active noise canceling. Right now it's off. Right now it's on. And yeah, for the most part, that pretty much looks like these headphones, what they got. I'm gonna put them on, I'm gonna give them a quick listen, and then I'm gonna let you know how these sound. I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, I'm back. I tried on the headphones, and here is my very quick review. As far as the sound quality, for the majority of people, I think it'll be fine. It's got pretty clear sound. If you're someone who likes a lot of bass with your headphones, you're really not gonna like these. They sound a little more on the tinny side. I'm kind of more of a person who really prefers bass with any headphones or anything that I use, so these probably aren't the ones for me, I would say. But for the majority of people, if you don't need a lot of bass, or if you're not really someone who really wants that, these headphones are going to sound good. They sound really clear. Pairing was really, really easy. Once you connect these to your phone, as soon as you turn them on, they're paired, so it's really nice. So as far as the music quality, in my eyes, I would give, it's honestly for me, because I like a lot more bass, like a 6 out of 10. But if you're someone who doesn't really need a lot of bass with your headphones, these are going to be at least a 9 out of 10. They sound pretty good. And also, as far as the active noise canceling is 20,000 out of 10. For $30, for the price of these headphones, $30 to $35, the noise canceling is amazing. As soon as I turned on the switch, I mean, I pretty much couldn't hear anything around me. I mean, granted, I'm in a quiet room right now, but I was playing around with these headphones the night before, and I mean, once I turned it on, I mean, I could only hear the music and nothing else. So if anything, that's going to be the one thing that's keeping me from not potentially returning these, because the noise canceling is so good for $35. I mean, for this type of noise canceling, you'd expect to get it from like $200 headphones. So they did a very, very, very good job with that. And also, one more note, I think to get a little better music quality, you kind of have to go with no noise cancellation. I feel like when I turned on the cancellation with the music, it sounded a lot more tinny. And then when I turned it off, it was still kind of tinny, but it sounded a little better. So that's my little advice if you do end up owning these headphones. So overall, though, I definitely give these about an 8 out of 10. For $35, you're definitely getting your money's worth. But at the same time, you could also find something a little better if you wanted to throw in a little more money. But I mean, it's definitely a good deal if you just want a pair of cheap noise canceling over the ear headphones. This is definitely the way to go. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, comments, please put comments down. I'll respond to all of them. You know, make sure to put a like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Let the channel grow. Let me just be able to keep reviewing products like these for you guys. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned till the next video, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.